Hey everybody, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. We have landed on my favorite time of year, and I would have to say, probably my favorite YouTube video that I do ever. I love to give to you. This is my way of saying thank you. This is my way of expressing gratitude, showering you with love and product in only a way that we can here on this platform, but really just to show you my heart and my true appreciation for your loyalty, the fact that you've been here. Many of you may be new and just discovering me. Many of you may have been around since 2014, and I just hope you know how much that touches my heart, how significant that is, how appreciative I am, how much I love sharing this journey with you, and not only sharing wisdom and makeup and life and all of the things that come with it, but sharing the things that I love and to be able to say, here, take it, play with it, have fun with it. So that's what today's Christmas giveaway is all about. And I have to tell you, I have amassed so much product here that there will not be just one, but two winners of this year's holiday giveaway. This giveaway is open internationally. It will stay open 1 week from the air date of this video, which will take us to Christmas Day. And I'll tell you all that you have to do to enter. It's so simple, it's kind of scary, especially when you see all that's coming your way. All right, so let's start. And I'm gonna try to divvy this up as best that I can. My friend Alicia Grande, who I interviewed on my podcast, who's the creator of Grande Lash. Oh my gosh, what a pistol, what a fun, fabulous woman. So how could I not share Grande Lash with you and the brow and all the kind of good stuff? What I have is, I've got Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper, Grande Mascara, Conditioning Peptide Mascara, Grande Brow, Brow Enhancing Serum, Grande Lash MD, Lash Enhancing Serum, and Grande Brow 2-in-1 Tinted Gel and Brow Enhancing Serum. So that all comes together. But wait, there's more. So I'm going to divvy up the Grande Brow. So whoever wins is going to get some kind of a Grande Brow product, because I also have the bestseller kit right here. This is the Lash Brow bestsellers, the Power Pair, the Grande Lash MD and the Grande Brow. And then I've got lashes and brow here. This is Grande Drama Mascara, Grande Lash MD, Grande Brow, Grande Lash MD, the mini size that you can travel with it. And I also have her Grande Hair, which is the hair enhancing serum for reclaiming fuller looking hair. So your lashes and your follicles are going to be well taken care of this holiday season. That is for certain. I use it, it works, it's amazing. So as you well know, if you have used it or researched her product, that in and of itself is a wonderful, wonderful gift. So I think now I will move into skincare. First of all, I've got a huge set for you from Shiseido, their Future Solution Extra Rich Cleansing Foam. Then I have the Concentrated Brightening Softer Lotion Illuminatrice. Ooh, we're getting very French. Future Solution LX. This is the Intensive Firming Balance Serum. And would you look at the size this night cream comes in? This is a massive gold box. This is Shiseido's Future Solution Total Regenerating Cream for nighttime. So there you go. You've got the full Shiseido line. I literally have everything sprawled out on top of an ottoman. So if you hear a crash, I apologize. All product will remain intact, I promise. The next skincare set that I have is by the beauty herself, Cindy Crawford. If we could get anywhere close to that, that would be meaningful. Meaningful Beauty. Okay, the whole line. Cindy's Meaningful Beauty Anti-Aging Day Cream, her Meaningful Beauty Glowing Serum, the very famous, this is the Youth Activating Melon Serum, hence the pretty orange color. I have the Lifting Eye Cream and the Meaningful Beauty, this is the reusable jar. This is the Age Recovery Night Cream with Retinol, the advanced formula. So the whole Cindy Crawford set is right here. I'm also including, because I love this product line too, and I've talked about them quite a bit, this is OneSkin OS1 Face, and this is a daily essential topical, will strengthen the skin barrier and improve skin health. So that's skincare. You know, I can't do a giveaway without throwing in some midlife stuff, ladies, and a little sense of humor, right? So we've got Playground Miracle Melts. These are deeply hydrating vaginal inserts because yes, that stuff matters. And for those of you who still have game on Playground Love Sesh, this is a water-based personal lubricant. Don't laugh. These products matter. Oh my gosh. Okay. Cosmetics. I love, man, Morphe, what they're doing with colors. Wowza. These are stunning. I'm struggling, honestly, giving this away. So this is Morphe. This is Electric Current eyeshadow palette. Stunning colors. Look at this one. Morphe Rose Frequency. Wouldn't that be great with this cranberry sweater? I know, it's going to you. And then this is really fun. This would be so great for New Year's. This is Sky-Fi, and it's got kind of aquas and pinks and a little bit of brown, but really, really fun colors. Man, the pigment on these Morphe products, wow. I've got quite a few Morphe palettes. Love them. I also have for you another line that I love. And this is by Bare Minerals. This is the Deluxe Original Mineral Veil Powder. Gotta have that. The Ready Set Glow Complexion Duo, because who doesn't want to get their glow on even in these cold months? And Gleam On Full Size Lip Gloss Balm Duo in Serenity and Cranberry. So beautiful. You've got yourself a light and a dark. How amazing is that? Okay, where else do we go? Yes, I'm also going to include, and I met her actually when I worked at Merit. Her name is Daniela Bell. Fabulous makeup artist. She did makeup for a lot of the ladies there. I'm giving you 3 lash strips from Daniela Bell. You can use any kind of adhesive that you like, but she does that super, super thin invisible band. So there's no dark line. It blends seamlessly with your lashes. It looks like your own. It looks like you got lash extensions. They're so fluffy, wispy, and natural, and you can use them up to 32 times. 32 times! Just take good care of them and just kind of peel off the glue. That's all you have to do. And I also have a Daniela Bell just little powder puff, which would be actually great with the Bare Minerals powder as well. So I'll probably include it with that. Next up, oh my gosh, I love this. So I became friendly with an artist. Her name is Ann Nielsen, and I have so many of her pieces around the house. She creates these beautiful angels. She's written books, and I have this Christmas angel print. It's a 5x7-inch fine art. You guys, look at how beautiful this is. It's already in the glass frame. Look how stunning. And it's signed by Anne in the back. But it's a beautiful angel playing the violin. My favorite instrument. Trivia, I played violin in 6th and 7th grade. Second chair. I know, shocking, right? So this will be coming to a lucky winner's way. Okay, brushes. Y'all, I get asked so much about what brushes. I, for the most part, use BK beauty brushes. So I have some brushes for you. Core Extension Eye. This is a 4-piece brush set, all for eyes. It's a mini shader, mini pencil, detail blender, and medium blender. That's this one. Then we have the Precision Collection 5-piece brush set. This is a flat brush precision powder, blending shader, pencil blender, and precision angled. And then we have Nikki LaRose Pro Artist Series 8-piece brush set. Ultimate Contour, Ultimate Coverage, Ultimate Diffuser, Precision Blender, Petite Dome Blender, Mini Multi-Detailer, Small Packer. Wow. Just imagine what you can do to your face with all of these. That's pretty awesome. You may be thinking, well, gosh, Dominique, you need to split up those brushes because, I mean, those are a lot of brushes. Yeah, until you see the next one. So one person's getting the BK Beauty set. Another person's going to be getting this set. Y'all, you ready for this? Again, Morphe knocked it out of the park with this. Look at this cute little tote bag. What could be in such an adorable little Morphe tote bag? Every brush you could use for every part of your face and probably body. Would you look at that? Have you ever seen so many brushes in your entire... That's an accordion of brushes. You could play this. You need a flow chart. This book will help you go through the flow and tell you what brush does what. I promise there will be no pop quiz on this. That's amazing. You will never need to buy another brush again. And look, it folds up. Did you look at this? This is wild. 1, 2, 3, and snap. Voila. You could take this on vacation. That is this year's holiday giveaway. Yes, 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 yes. I hope. Oh, wait. I also have one more little thing. Morphe, a sponge, a pressed powder, and all that good stuff, just in case, if some of us are used to like sponges and puff pads and things like that to set our powder. So I'm going to pop that in there too. Okay. Fini. How do you enter this giveaway, pray tell? It is so easy. So you're watching on YouTube. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. See that little red button, subscribe, just click it. If you wouldn't mind, ring the bell. Click that little bell. That just enables notifications. It will let you know via email every time I release a video. Tutorials on Thursdays, podcasts on Monday. That's it. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe to a YouTube channel. The second thing you have to do, if you wouldn't mind, just comment in the comment section, because that's how I'm going to know you're there. So you could just say anything like, hey, or Merry Christmas, or wow, great gifts, or hope I win. I'm going to figure out how to split this up. And like I said, I will split it equally balanced of beauty skincare. 2 lucky winners. 2 of you will be drawn in a week. We will reach out to you, which will be Christmas. Yeah, that's a week after this video airs. Isn't that amazing? What a Christmas gift on Christmas Day. I love that for you. So we will notify you, and we will get all the information we need to ship these products out to you. But I hope you're excited. I hope you're as excited as I am, happy, eager. I encourage you to sign up for this. Again, like I said in the beginning, if I could give you the world, I would. And I think I try in my own little way, in things that I say and do and share, and in vulnerability and putting myself out there. I want to give you the world. I want to give you whatever it is that brings you joy and contentment and peace and progress and a relationship with our Heavenly Father as we celebrate the birth of Jesus on Christmas Day. Whatever it is that makes you feel connected to Him, connected to you, and just feeling like you're living your best life possible, then I'm doing what I am supposed to be doing. So thank you again. My fingers are crossed for both of you, whoever you are and wherever you are. All my best. Some wonderful things coming in the new year, exciting things to share. Of course, more content. You can even take time in the comment section and share with me what you would like to see from me in future videos. I know that the hair and the makeup and the wardrobe, those things tend to be kind of tried and true favorites, but a lot of you have requested fitness and wellness, and I know that's going to be a big subject as we head into 2026, and a lot of that I also want to cover on my podcast for you, which you can watch right here, by the way. So good luck. Hope you have a wonderful, beautiful holiday with your family. I hope that you have peace and joy and love. And if you find yourself in a season where maybe you are by yourself or you've experienced, some loss, I hope you can connect with family, loved ones, friends, and feel that sense of connection and that sense of the Spirit with you this holiday. Be bold, be blessed, good luck.